It's time to flip these.
All right, let her rip.
And some burgers.
Okay, so here's the situation. We weren't really supposed to go fishing today. What happened was the captain here, his barn guys from yesterday didn't show up today like they were supposed to. So the Friday trip we were going to take is now moved to today. But to make matters worse, I was supposed to like spend today getting all my gear ready because one reel doesn't have enough line on to get more than 10 feet out. The other reel has no drag, which is really bad. And then I was going to prep another reel with a really nice old historic casting reel that my dad had. But that's not done today. So we moved everything up today, but instead, we're going to have hamburgers first. That's a burger.
I think Lucy would like some.
Okay.
You want burger? Mmm. Yummy.
May I have some more, please?
Look at that. Medium rare.
Wow.
All right, off we go. And so it is with some trepidation that I go on this trip because, and I analogize it to say the 1984-1985 RPI NCAA championship hockey team. And you know, after winning the whole shooting match, as I did last episode with that giant fish, now we're going out again. And whatever happens is bound to be a disappointment because the 85-86 RPI hockey season was a good one by any measure, but they didn't win anything. And it's always a letdown. But we're undaunted. It's a beautiful day. Let's go.
Wow, Lucy's a little daunted.
What is it, Lassie? Is Timmy in the cave? Florida's alive. There's a little baby gator right there. He's looking at us and he's probably gonna leap for the water. And now he moved. Little baby gator. Gone.
Well, we trolled our way out here to the mouth of the Withlacoochee and the first Spoils Island, and we're working this for a bit. But the water temperatures seem a little bit low, like 64, which may favor nothing. All right, this group is going ashore. Well, good luck with that.
Come on, puppy.
All right. Shake, shake, shake. We've been fishing here. No sense in showing you me holding a fishing pole when it doesn't do anything. And the captain's gonna sneak over to this point here because we've caught redfish off that point there. Of course, that was once in about 50 tries, but still, you gotta try it. Ooh, something jumped. So I've got a bobber with a shrimp over there, and once my hands are free of the camera, I'll be tossing a lure out with this pole. And hoping against hope that these cold waters will actually produce something. I love these symmetrical wake sets that come in after a boat passes. Some wonderful symmetry with all of this. In the meantime, the captain and Lucy are down there. And we've all kind of concluded the water's cold. Now we're out here at Redfish Island now. And we're probably going to get out and walk around and see if we can catch something. Still shaking it off from that last swim, huh, dog?
Old man go fish.
All right, we've anchored on Redfish Island. And we're walking over on the far side of it in the shallows where boats can't really get to. But there are some deep pools. So far, my sourpuss prediction of fishing failures proving to be really accurate. Well, this is a vaguely hopeful sign. My bait's gone. Either it just broke off because it's rotten old frozen shrimp, or something ate it. And the captain over there says a blowfish bit his lure in half. All is not lost. I'm gonna go try the other side of the island. Wow, you got a keeper trout over there. Holy mackerel. I mean, holy troutle. All right, look at that. Hey,
Chug.
God, that's a nice one. Are you keeping it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dinner.
Wow.
Don't jump.
Yeah, somebody else thinks it's dinner too. Our new fishing buddy's just hooked up.
Yeah, not the best.
Don't let the dog bite.
Come here. Hey. No.
Captain caught another one.
Swallowed my Caesar.
Oh, he did. Wow. He's undersized, but nice get. Uh-oh.
No.
There you go.
No. Get away. Get.
He wants a fish so bad. All right. All right, well, we didn't get skunked. That's the good news. So here's the bad news. Here's my line right here. And there's my float out there. It came loose. And I don't have a tackle box here. It's a long walk back to the boat. Luckily, the wind is blowing it right at me, so with patience, I'll get it back. He's got another one. Here it comes. Oh, that's
12 inches.
Yeah.
11 inches.
Decent size, decent action. I think I'm gonna have to switch from rotten shrimp. This guy's just reeling them in one after the other. And he's got another one. And I got my first bite. This guy's just cranking them in.
No.
Stay back, doggy.
Oh, I wish I had that on.
All right, I got my first fish, and while I was trying to operate the GoPro here, I managed to tumble into the ocean. Ooh!
That's a big one. Go ashore with it. Yeah, that's close. Oh, that's close. Oh, no.
Keep an eye on her, because
That's
I'm...
a keeper. Get him in shore.
All right, I'm
Look.
Get back. Get back. Hey, get back. Stay back.
Well, you've got to have a keeper for all the blood.
Yeah.
There's 12, and that's got to be 3.
What is it, 15 inches?
15 inches.
Yeah, it's gotta be 15.
Well, that might be a keeper. Because my feet are 14. My feet are 14 inches. So my keeper trout came at a bit of a cost here. As I was trying to turn on the GoPro while holding on my rod, I fell over into oyster shell water. And now I got some nasty little gouges on here. Luckily, I've got the gallon jug of alcohol gel here, so I've been slathering my leg with this stuff. So that was a wholly unexpected journey. I really thought we would get completely skunked with the vast change in the water temperature. But success was achieved after all, although at a price. Thanks for joining us. Good night, everybody.